Hello friends, Karthik is back with the new fresh tutorials. So let's start learning. Friends, today we are going to see how to create an abortable cron job. So you can see the highlighted things like test cron job was running and I hit on abort cron job. So the message came like test job cron job is not abortable. So before I did all the changes, I tried running. So it is saying that cron job is not abortable. We will see how to make it abortable. So friends, this is my notepad. I have wrote down the steps. You can see my previous tutorial that was for steps for creating a cron job. You can refer to that for creating a cron job. Here I will show how it is to be made as abortable, because by default it is not abortable. So we need to override the isAbortable method in abstract job performable abstract class or job performable interface. So I have override first perform method. As usual, you can see in my previous code. So I have wrote down few more statements like condition for abortion request, log, and I am returning cron job result error, cron job status aborted. And importantly, you need to override isAbortable method and you need to return true. Let me change that. The isAbortable method should return true to make our cron job as abortable. So I will show in Eclipse. Just see this isAbortable method I have overridden, and I have wrote one for loop where I am just iterating a value. I have written log.info which will print the iteration numbers. Here if clear abort requested if needed. This handles the abortion request. So I have taken the cron job model. Log.info I have wrote job aborted manually. This message will be print in console log, and I am return new perform result cron job result dot error cron job status dot aborted in case of this condition met, that is any abortion request happened. So if no abortion request happen, the loop will break and it will come out and send a normal return statement, that is success and finished. So you can see this isAbortable method. So you can see the test job. I am opening this. The job has been opened. Now I will run it. You can see the iterations is going on. So if I open HAC and I will hit abort CronJob, so successfully set to abortable, the result came. We can see in console log, yeah, you can see job aborted manually. So this ends our tutorial part 1 for how to make abortable cron job. Soon I will prepare another video for our second step where I will show how to make abortable cron job using bean property value in Spring configuration. So friends, thank you for watching my video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all of you. See you then. Bye bye.